Justin here. This is the first video of possibly Project Karatoo. I'm in the town of Tara in southwest Queensland on the Western Downs. We stayed the evening over here at the Tara Spa Apartments, and Ed and I and Kylie and Lou and the girls, Georgie and Abby, are going to go for a drive in about an hour to a bush block where we're going to look at a Karatoo that's had a bit of a bingle. I wonder what will be. Will we buy it, will we not? We will see. Well, we're here. Here's the two ferals sitting in the Karatoo. It might be finished by the time they're ready to go solo in 10 years' time. Bit to your left, Ed. Left up. Left, Ed. Perfect. Straight there. Left, Ed.
Last time I did kick.
And back. Now.
I didn't think they'd go in there. Just off the power plant. What's it?
Down, Ed. That's it. Just watch the legs fly up.
Get your hands out.
Some popcorn.
Hold that in. Oh, I'm going to try one again.
Bit of a rough ride, eh, love? That's it, we'll crush you. Right.
You're on. So Ed, is it a good thing?
I run
That's the airstrip.
Build the ant's nest. Thank you. Bye.
So, of late, been missing a project. So, with my darling wife's permission, my long-suffering darling wife's permission, and Ed and Kylie, we have a project. It's a Karatoo that's had a bit of a bingle, needs a fair bit of work. It will need reskinning. This wing obviously has got some issues with its rib. It's had a spar repair before. The covering's been pulled off to inspect the damage. It's not too bad. It comes the freshly overhauled V-dub with brolly prop. Blades are broken. A couple of issues that we need to really look at is we've got some issues up here with a rear spar attach. But other than that, it's not too bad. It's got a bit of damage up to the upper cockpit. The undercarriage is collapsed. This wing's reasonably okay. Hasn't been opened, hasn't got any damage to it. Having said that, of course, we'll recover it. I've got a feeling that I think this end rib needs a little bit of attention, which we'll find out when we put in there. This tailplane's okay. Both tailplanes are okay. This needs a new elevator. It needs a new aileron built for that wing, and the other aileron is reasonably okay. This elevator is good, but nonetheless, of course, we'll have a good look at it. Township of Tara. Head home tomorrow. I'm sure none of you will be watching by now. In here, all manner of things. We've got tips, we've got broken blades, altimeters, instruments, cowlings, wheels, brakes. There you go.
Well, here we are in Oakey, Darling Downs.
We've just pulled over on the side of the road because the rope keeps coming out of a trailer. But this is Justin's new project, another plane. We don't have enough planes, so we had to get another one. This will be a project that he'll have for many years, so he'll be in the shed quite a lot when he's home, if he's not gliding or working. Well, here's a better shot of the plane, you can see it. Ed and Kylie are in that truck dragging it along for us. They've been so wonderful. This is Justin driving, the owner of a new plane.